Welcome back, my friend, to a very special episode on our channel, Book Essence. Before we dive into the secrets of the power hidden within you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, hit that like button so this knowledge can reach everyone who needs it. Today, we're distilling one of the most important books in the history of self-development, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem lucky while others struggle despite their hard work? The secret isn't in external circumstances, but in the hidden engine that drives your life without you even noticing, your subconscious mind. Section 1. The Conscious versus Subconscious. Imagine your mind as a giant ship in the middle of the ocean. Your conscious mind is the captain standing on the deck giving orders. Your subconscious mind is the powerful engine that carries out those orders without question. The captain decides the direction, and the engine moves the ship toward that direction, whether it is right or wrong. Joseph Murphy says that your subconscious mind doesn't joke or analyze. It simply accepts the thoughts your conscious mind plants in it and repeats them until they become your reality. If you tell yourself, "I can't," your subconscious will work with all its might to make you truly incapable. So the first rule is, pay attention to what you say to yourself, because your subconscious is always listening. Section 2. The Law of Belief and Repetition. Why do so many of our prayers and wishes fail? The secret lies in belief. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind responds to mental images and sincere feelings, not just hollow words. If you keep saying, "I am wealthy," while deep down you feel the fear of poverty, your subconscious will respond to the feeling of fear because it is the strongest. The solution? Repetition before sleep. When you are in a state of complete relaxation, the doors between your conscious and subconscious minds open wide. In these moments, plant the image you want for yourself. Visualize success, feel its texture, and live the moment as if it has already happened. Your subconscious will take these seeds and turn them into opportunities and events in your real life. Section 3. Subconscious and Physical Healing. The book touches on a fascinating point: the subconscious mind's ability to repair the body. Your subconscious mind is responsible for your heartbeat, your breathing, and your digestion while you sleep. It holds the original blueprint for your health. Murphy tells stories of people who regained their health simply by directing positive messages to their subconscious minds. This doesn't mean leaving medicine, but rather charging your body with positive energy that accelerates healing. When you fill your mind with images of health and vitality, you are giving a direct order to the operations manager of your body to begin the repair process. Section 4. The Magnet for Wealth and Success. Is money evil? Murphy says no. Poverty is a mental illness caused by a wrong idea in the subconscious mind. If you despise money or see the rich as evil, you are sending a signal to your subconscious that money is a bad thing, and therefore it will push it away from you like a repelling magnet. To achieve wealth, start by changing the programming. Say, "I love money, and money flows into my life wisely and honestly." When you make peace with the idea of abundance, your subconscious will begin to draw your attention to ideas and projects you never saw before. Financial success begins from within first. In conclusion, the power of your subconscious mind reminds us that we are not victims of circumstances, but rather the product of our thoughts. You possess the greatest power in the universe between your ears, and all you need is to learn how to direct it in your favor. Thank you for following this essence. If you've reached this point, it means you are truly seeking to change your life, and that is the first step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like if you enjoyed the summary. And now, tell me in the comments, what is one negative thought you want to replace in your subconscious today? I will read all your comments so we can encourage each other. See you in a new essence of another book.